We all crave a bit of luxury in our lives, don't we? That sense of elegance and comfort that transforms a mere house into a true home. It's a universal desire, a longing for spaces that not only shelter us, but also inspire and rejuvenate us. Imagine walking into a room that instantly makes you feel at ease, a sanctuary that reflects your personal style and taste. This is the essence of luxury living. That feeling of elegance and comfort makes a house a home. It's the little details, the thoughtful touches, and the harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality that create an inviting atmosphere. Whether it's a plush sofa that beckons you to relax or a beautifully arranged bookshelf that showcases your favorite reads, these elements contribute to a sense of well-being and contentment. Many believe that achieving a luxurious look requires a hefty budget. The misconception that luxury is synonymous with high costs often deters people from pursuing their dream interiors. However, luxury is not solely defined by the price tag of an item, but by the thought and care put into creating a cohesive and elegant space. It's about making informed choices and prioritizing quality over quantity. But let me tell you, it's entirely possible to infuse your home with a millionaire's touch without breaking the bank. The key lies in being resourceful and creative. By focusing on a few statement pieces and complementing them with budget-friendly finds, you can achieve a high-end look. It's about mixing and matching, finding balance, and knowing where to splurge and where to save. It's about making smart choices, embracing creativity, and finding affordable alternatives that exude the same sophistication and charm. For instance, instead of investing in expensive artwork, consider creating a gallery wall with framed prints or photographs that hold personal significance. Or opt for high-quality faux materials that mimic the look of luxury without the associated costs. In this essay, we'll uncover some simple yet effective ways to elevate your home decor without emptying your wallet. We'll explore various strategies from selecting the right color palette to incorporating textures and patterns that add depth and interest. You'll learn how to use lighting to create ambiance and how to arrange furniture to maximize space and comfort. From incorporating luxurious materials on a budget to utilizing color, lighting, and furniture placement effectively, we'll explore it all. We'll delve into the world of textiles, exploring how fabrics like velvet, silk, and linen can add a touch of elegance. We'll also discuss the importance of accessories, such as throw pillows, rugs, and curtains, in transforming a space. Get ready to unlock the secrets to creating a home that reflects your impeccable taste and love for the finer things in life, all while being kind to your wallet. We'll share tips on how to shop smart, whether it's hunting for deals at thrift stores or taking advantage of sales and discounts. You'll discover how to repurpose and upcycle items to give them a new lease on life. This journey is about embracing your inner interior designer and infusing your personality into your living spaces. Your home should be a reflection of who you are, filled with items that bring you joy and tell your story. We'll guide you on how to curate a space that feels uniquely yours, from choosing meaningful decor pieces to arranging them in a way that feels harmonious and balanced. Remember, luxury is not about price tags. It's about creating a space that feels opulent, inviting, and uniquely yours. It's about the ambiance, the comfort, and the sense of pride you feel when you walk through your front door. We'll explore how to create focal points in each room, whether it's a stunning piece of furniture, a beautiful piece of art, or a cozy reading nook. So let's dive in and discover the art of achieving millionaire decor on a budget. We'll take you through each room of the house, offering specific tips and ideas for creating luxurious spaces. From the living room to the bedroom, the kitchen to the bathroom, you'll find inspiration and practical advice to transform your home into a haven of elegance and comfort. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh your current decor, this guide will provide you with the tools and confidence to create a home that feels truly luxurious. When we think of luxury, certain materials instantly come to mind. Marble with its timeless elegance, velvet with its plush and inviting texture, and brass with its warm, antique glow. Incorporating these materials into your decor can instantly elevate the look and feel of your home. The good news is, you don't need to splurge on a marble countertop or a solid brass chandelier to achieve the desired effect. Start small. Consider a marble tray for your coffee table, a set of velvet cushions for your sofa, or a brass vase for your console table. These small additions can make a world of difference. Look for affordable alternatives. Opt for marble look contact paper for your countertops or shelves, velvet throws for your chairs, and brass-plated accessories for a touch of glam. Remember, the key is to be strategic with your placement. Use these luxurious materials sparingly to create focal points and accentuate certain areas of your home. By carefully curating these elements, you can achieve a sophisticated and luxurious aesthetic without overspending. Color plays a crucial role in setting the tone and mood of your home. For a luxurious ambiance, consider incorporating rich, deep hues like navy blue, emerald green, or ruby red. These colors evoke a sense of opulence and sophistication. Don't be afraid to experiment with darker shades, as they can actually make a small space feel larger and more intimate. You can introduce these colors through your walls, furniture, or even accent pieces. A navy blue accent wall can create a stunning backdrop for your living room, while emerald green velvet cushions can instantly elevate your seating area. If you prefer a lighter palette, incorporate pops of color through artwork, throws, or decorative objects. Balance is key when it comes to color. If you're using a bold hue on your walls, keep your furniture and accessories neutral to avoid overwhelming the space. Conversely, if you have neutral walls, don't shy away from incorporating bolder colors through your furniture and decor. The goal is to create a harmonious and visually appealing balance. Lighting is often overlooked, but is an essential element of luxurious interior design. The right lighting can completely transform the ambiance of a room, highlighting its best features and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. To achieve a luxurious feel, consider incorporating a variety of light sources in your space. Start with ambient lighting, which provides overall illumination to the room. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and flush mount fixtures are all great options for ambient lighting. Next, add in accent lighting to highlight specific areas or objects in your home, such as artwork, architectural details, or decorative pieces. Table lamps, floor lamps, and wall sconces work well as accent lighting. Finally, don't forget about task lighting, which is essential for specific activities like reading or working. Desk lamps, reading lights, and under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen are all examples of task lighting. By layering these different types of lighting, you can create a dynamic and well-lit space that feels both luxurious and functional. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.